What's up all, this is Usman here. Today I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy A51. It's a mid-ranger from the Samsung with 6GB of the RAM. So let's see what is inside it. If you are new on this channel, then I will request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get all my videos. Okay, here you can see this is the box, and let's open this. Okay, and now open the box. This is, I think, the manual and other things. This is for the SIM tray. Okay, now let's see inside. Here is the manual, and this is the cover, which is awesome. Okay, and other manuals, I think so, and then it's empty. Okay, this is the warranty card, and here is the device itself. Let's open this up, and then if we let's open this first. What is mentioned: infinity or display, quad camera, on-screen fingerprint. Okay, so let's boot this up, and it's booting. So put this on side, and let's see what is inside it. This is the fast charger, I think so. Yes, it's fast charging and adapter. And what is inside it? This is the hand free. Okay, simple ordinary hand free from the Samsung. Here you can see. So there is a 3mm audio jack is there. Okay, and then this is the USB port. Let's see, it's C port here, new one, because as it's providing fast charging, so this is the new technology. And let's see this device. It's looking awesome from the back. Here you can see there are quad cameras, 4 cameras on the back, and a flash there. Okay, so it's now saying to just like boot it up. So let me complete this all. Okay, so device is ready. I added the fingerprint also. Let's see how fast its fingerprint sensor is, and boom, it's working very fine than the A50, because we saw some lagging on the A50, and it's working fine here. Here you can see there are some already installed apps menu here. Okay, so if we talk about its body build, it's looking awesome. It's like black color, and here is the quad camera, and here you can see some lines here which create a beautiful impact there also. So it's basically a gradient or some kind of like that, but it's looking very beautiful. So it's a new thing from the Samsung, and it's a little bit looking the same shape for the S20, that is upcoming flagship of the Samsung. So here's everything, and this is the selfie camera, which is like you can say like not like a water drop, but a drop a selfie camera and everything. So soon I'm going to compare its camera with Samsung A50, Vivo S1 Pro. If you have any other recommendation, please also know in the comment below, and I will soon create a review on this device after using for a few days. Then I will create a full review on it also. So make sure to subscribe my channel so you can get all my upcoming videos related to the Samsung A51. So I will also test the PUBG and other things on it, so I will show you how it's working fine. So this is all. This is the fast charger. I will also try to do its battery charging test to see how it's really fast is. Okay, and everything here. So let's try this cover also. And yes, okay, so this is its rear camera, and I will test its rear camera also. So for all other videos, make sure to subscribe my channel so you can get all the other videos. So hope you enjoyed my this unboxing. If you really like it, then make sure to thumbs up, comment below, and also subscribe my channel. Watch my other videos till the next one. Take care. Bye bye.